Hello students, welcome to our general education class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16 from foreign lands from page number 35, chapter 17 acronyms page number 59, chapter 18 the space world page number 8 and 9, and last chapter 19 IT trivia page number 10. Let's start from page number 35. From foreign lands, some words and phrases have been adopted from foreign languages. Read the sentence below with the foreign words or phrases. Choose their meaning from the clue box and write the correct letter beside each sentence. Number 1. The minister's family was invited to an alfresco dinner at the Mughal garden. Answer number G. Open air outdoors. Number 2. I have not returned to my alma mater since the day I graduate. Answer number B. Once old school or university. Next, number 3. Mark was an honest salesman and made a bona fide offer to his customers. Answer number D. Genuine in good faith. Next, number 4. Before appearing for the interview, John got his curriculum vitae ready. Answer number H. An outline of one's education and professional qualifications. Next, number 5. Due to poor planning, the annual event of the company turned out to be fiasco. Answer number C. Total failure. Next, number 6. Sachin Tendulkar is a widely recognized as a batsman par excellence. Answer number A. The best at something. Number 7. In times of national crisis, the government can appoint the military to serve as a de facto branch of law enforcement. Answer number F. Existing whether legally recognized or not. Number 8. After suffering from months of drought, it was important for the government to maintain the status quo of the country's secondary. Answer number E. The existing states of things. In this page, here given some info bytes regarding to curriculum vitae. Let's read. A curriculum vitae is often referred to as a resume also. However, the two are different. A CV is a full record of your career history, is quite lengthy and can stretch to more than 2 pages, while a resume is a brief of your skills and achievements, usually recorded in short, covering a single page only. Our next chapter from page number 59. Everyone open page number 59. In page number 59, topics are acronyms. An acronym is simply a word formed by taking letters of each word in phrase to form an abbreviation. Given below are the full form of some common acronyms. Write the correct acronym. Acronym. In this page we are given a table, one side acronyms and one side full form. Number 1, full form of given here, light emitting diode, acronym LED. Number 2, acquired human deficiency syndrome, acronym AIDS, AIDS. Number 3, Federation. Number 3, Federation International de Football Association. Answer is FIFA, FIFA. Number 4, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, acronym NASA, NASA. Number 5, International Criminal Police Organization, acronym Interpol, INTERPOL. Number 6, United Nations Children's Education Fund, acronym UNICEF, UNICEF. Number 7, Master of Business Administration, acronyms MBA. Number 8, Medicine Baccalaureate, Bachelor of Medicine, acronym MBBS. Next, number 9, Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN, ASEAN. Number 10, Maximum Retail Price, acronym MRP. Number 11, Food and Agriculture Organization, acronym FAO. Number 12, International Monetary Fund, acronym IMF. Number 13, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, acronym NATO. Number 14, United Nations Development Program, acronym UNDP. Number 15, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, acronym UNESCO, UNESCO. Our next chapter, chapter 18, from page number 8 and 9. In this page, topic given here, the space world. Explore your knowledge about the universe and space by answering the following questions. Choose the correct option to answer. Number 1, which type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Answer is number B, barred spiral. Number 2, which planet has the highest mountain and the deepest valley in the solar system? Answer is number A, Mars. Number 3, which feature distinguishes Uranus from other planets? Option A is correct. It has a blue-green color. Number 4. Which large telescope was renamed in honor of Dr. Edwin Hubble, who suggests the universe extended beyond the Milky Way? Option A is correct. Hubble Space Telescope. Number 5. What is the name of the NASA mission to study Pluto? Option C, New Horizons. Number 6. Which of the phenomena occur on Mars? Option B is correct. Dust storms. Number 7. Which of the following is not a known type of star? Answer option number C, green dwarf. Number 8. What is the nucleus of a comet primarily made of? Answer is option C, ice and dust is correct. From this page number 8, Infobytes. Discovered in 1930, Pluto is the closest dwarf planet to the Sun and was at one point classified as the 9th planet. It was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006. The New Horizons spacecraft, which was launched in 2006, flew by Pluto on 14th July 2015 and took a series of images and other measurements of the dwarf planet. Next, page number 9. Question number 9. How many tails does a comet have? Answer option C is correct. 2, an iron tail and a dust tail. Number 10. Which comet smashed into Jupiter in 1994? Option number B, Shoemaker-Levy 9 is correct option. Related to Shoemaker-Levy 9, here given info bytes. Let's read. Shoemaker-Levy 9 was a comet. It broke apart and crashed into Jupiter in July 1994. The event was special because people could see for the first time how objects in the solar system outside the Earth collided. The comet was named after its discoverers Gene Shoemaker, Caroline Shoemaker and David Levy. Let's read about question number 10. 10 we completed. Next, number 11. Which spacecraft discovered Jupiter's ring? Answer option B, Voyager 1. Number 12. What does the term asteroid actually means? Answer is option A, star-like. Next, number 13. What is the name of the asteroid group that shares a path with Jupiter around the Sun? Answer is Trojans. Option A is correct. Number 14. Name the largest asteroid in the solar system. Answer is option B, Ceres. Number 15. Which of these constellation is not part of the astronomical zodiac? Answer is option B, Orion the Hunter. Also, from this page, again here given info bytes. Let's read about a constellation is a group of visible stars that forms a pattern when viewed from the earth. The pattern they form may take the space of an animal, a mythological creature, a man, a woman, or an inanimate object like a microscope, a crown, a compass, etc. Orion is one of the most visible constellations. Because of its location, it can be seen throughout the world. It is named after a hunter from Greek mythology. Today's last chapter from page number 10, topic IT trivia. Use the clue to answer the following questions and check your knowledge of the latest information technology. What is the main page of a website known as? Answer is home page. Number 2. Which key combination is used to permanently delete a file or a folder? Answer is Shift plus Delete. Number 3. A .jpg extension refers to which type of file? Answer is image. Number 4. Name the web browser developed by Google. Answer is Chrome. Number 5. When the internet word number is displayed, indicating an error for a file or not found. Answer is 404. Number 6. The first search engine on the internet shared its name with a comic character. Name the engine. Answer is Archie. Number 7. Who founded the Apple computer? Answer is Steve Jobs. Number 8. FTP is used to transfer information in the form of a file from one user computer to another computer. What does FTP stand for? Answer is File Transfer Protocol. Number 9. The Mac operating system is developed by which computer company? Answer is Apple. Number 10. What do you call the special kind of barcode that a user can scan with a smartphone application and which directs him to a website? Answer is QR code. Let's read from this page. Info bytes. iPhone is a brand of smartphones designed by Apple Inc. It was first released on June 29, 2007. All Apple iPhone advertisements display the time 9:41 a.m. because it was at this time when Steve Jobs unveiled the phone for the first time. Okay students, bye bye.